Hi, Nick here, MedTech World 2025. Joseph Panetta sitting here with me. Ascend CRO, doing big things in Australia and working with a range of partners for a score of years.
Indeed, all of Australasia. And thank you so much. It's wonderful to be here in Malta at MedTech World.
Wonderful. It's great to have you. Why specifically that market? I'm understanding there's a system where there's a rebate and tax. The data is exceptional. Why? Do you need other reasons why?
You know, a lot of medtech sponsors and a lot of sponsors who are looking to do research have multiple opportunities. There are a lot of places in the world with animal labs, with physicians, with sites, with capabilities, but not all clinical destinations are created equal. And what we find about Australasia, and Australia in particular, the government incentivizes you to do your research there. So it is a 43.5% tax rebate on research. Meaningfully, that's a $300,000 trial costs you $175,000. So that's a big difference. Then you've got world-renowned physicians, you've got clinical sites eager to dig into technology, and probably most important, the TGA, which is the regulatory body in Australia, is very aligned to the FDA. And so the FDA looks at Australia as a center of excellence, producing tier 1 quality data. So if you're doing first in human or pivotal, the FDA will actually regard tier 1 quality data coming out of Australia as part of your trial outcomes.
Can you give me a bit of a lowdown, a quick lowdown, A to B, start to finish, how your story began with the company, with Ascend, and where you are now as regards to on the ground?
Absolutely. Our partners got together quite some time ago. I think collectively we have something like nearly 50 years of experience in the company. And just in the last year alone, we've served 14 sponsors for 25 clinical trials, over 9 therapeutic categories, and 95% of our sponsors achieve their next milestone, whether that is an additional round of funding or a new indication or the ability to move on to more research.
Right, and you can handle more at the time. That's a huge amount of individuals. It's a huge amount of data handling, and also this cross-sectoral. So, which different 9 key areas were you exploring?
We are cross therapy, so we do ortho, cardiology, women's intimate health, men's intimate health, respiratory and pulmonary. We really run the gamut. There is not much we don't do. We don't do pharma. We are medtech specific. We've done a lot in robotics lately, and it's interesting when we come to locations like this where we see the emerging technologies. And I mean real technologies, things that are AI powered, software driven, and even robotics that are fascinating.
And these are ones that you're interested in sponsoring?
Well, we are doing some research currently in robotics and some with software,
Okay.
and software as a medical device. But what's really interesting is the fact that we are a boutique CRO. We don't have designs on becoming, this global behemoth, because we believe that when you keep it small and tight, we're 20-ish people, you can really serve your sponsors from soup to nuts. Everything from I don't know what a protocol looks like through the regulatory process, what do I want my data to deliver, all the way into I need a local sponsor, I need clinical field specialists. Australia's a long way away and I can't be there to monitor my patients. We can do all of those things. So I kind of refer to us as the Goldilocks CRO. We're just the right fit.
Wonderful. It's been amazing having you and the team, and thank you for being at and with MedTech World.
We couldn't thank you enough.
Thanks, Joseph. Nicholas Jackman signing off from MedTech World.